You can see the nice channel where all the water has drained in front of our house. It's our garage. And nothing drains because this is not deep enough because the water is so low here and the alley is so low. There's no other spot that's that low anywhere else except maybe right there. So now my husband has taken it upon himself to make the channel that they just dug on Friday a little bit deeper, because when he shoves the water down the alley, it comes right back to our new pond. The channel is 1 inch deep, and so in the middle of the channel there, it is 2 inches deep. And that's how wide it goes. On either side of the alley, it's just side to side. And we put a bunch of gravel and stuff so that it won't go into our backyard, because our backyard is even lower, as it's always been historically. And this has only been a problem since they repaved this, and it's noticeably lower right here at the alley behind our garage, and goes about 25 yards, I would say. But it's totally in front of our garage, and it's at their slab and behind their property across the alley. And here's a nice shot from our porch, so you can see that you can see the pond right from our steps. And in the background shortly, you'll hear my husband with the pickaxe, attempting to fix this problem that should be not a problem. There he goes.